Gave him the tools, the whole shit. I said, came through and tossed that whole shit. Came through and I tossed that whole shit. Shot that shit up, tossed the whole clip. Damn. I've been on that fucking, on my fucking woe shit.
Woe shit.
Ain't got time for that old shit.
Oh shit.
I'm on that new shit if you knew this. That mean that old shit mixed with that new shit. I go ham, bitch, I overdo shit. I overdo shit. And I'm spitting this shit off the head. Spitting this shit off the head like I drew with a pencil. I drew shit. Told you I do this, you know that I do this. I'm looking at you, I'm like, who this? You know that I do this, you know that I got that hammer. Yeah, I overrule shit. So I'm slamming shit, I go hammer, bitch. I go bananas, bitch. I'm a fucking gorilla. Motherfucking ape, so I beat on my chest and I beat in your plate. Taking your food and shit getting late. So I'm about to kill him and nigga just, get a nigga just skate. Told him he chatting, that nigga's a fake. That nigga's a fake. I told him I'm sorry, no time for the wait. Back on my Weezy shit, yeah, this is easy shit. These are the pleasy shit.
Don't know what I just said, but you know, man, I'm taking it easy, bitch. Fucking around, busting them down like these hoes. Know how I go, shorty just know, this how I roll. Fucking them out of their sight, fucking them out of their mind, fucking them out of their space, fucking it up to their spine, hating on me and I'm time, breaking these niggas that line, these niggas be lying, fucking around and I'm on the grind, hating your boy and I'm cutting your line, niggas don't know how I do in the nine, falling out to just let it expire, oh damn, letting them lie, damn, letting them lie, that's a no-no,
That's a no-no. That's a no-go. I show on the nine. He said, is that up for bro? Woo! Don't fuck up the swag. I got me a bitch, that's where she be lit. This is that swag. I told her pull up and she hopped out a Jag. Yeah, you live fast. She told her I do this, my nigga. This bad. So finish your last. You still on my first. Living the worst, but it get better. My nigga get cheddar. You know that we do it. Just lifting your head up.
You lifting your head up. Guess what? The bread is the bread up. Said what you said up. Fuck around, this is setting up.
Fuck around, yeah, nigga, said enough. Fuck around, nigga, get fed enough. Fuck around, now I'm just fed enough. So I just let it up. And I'm shooting that clip. And I'm shooting his bitch. I shoot anybody in that area. Nigga, don't choose who get hit.
Choose who get hit. Guess what, man? I'm reloading the clip. Having these niggas, they talking that shit, but I run up in they grill, punching the lip. That's just a sip. Niggas, they slip, thinking they it, till I just hit. Bang. Leave these niggas all in the ground, fucking around and these niggas are shit.
Yeah, we the clip. Did that. If you ain't get that by now, nigga, this is that shit. I had to jack that.